Hi, good afternoon. Okay, it seems that your Indian borage area, the pH soil condition is quite okay, about 6 point something or near 6. Near 6 is not okay, like it's critically okay. However, your laksa, right? Yeah, laksa leaf. Okay, the soil is too acidic, so you will need to amend the soil so that the acidity level will raise higher. Yeah, let's see your Indian borage over here. Okay, this is your Indian borage. It's a bit 5.8. It's a bit acidic also, so it's near 6 but not acceptable for growing almost anything. Yeah, so I'm at the entrance over here, so this is the result. Okay, this is where the edge of the planter bed are. So it's 6.01, I think, or 6.2. Yeah, still not that strong enough lah. So you all can consider to amend. Yeah, the whole soil is like very clayish, so I suggest we all try and amend them to make it better. Okay, let's go and see the lemongrass. Okay, so this is the lemongrass and it's all clay. Yeah, vegetable and crops don't like it. Yeah, maybe lemongrass, pandan, they like it lah because it's clayish. And the tree over here, they don't mind the clay also. So if you want to grow fruiting vegetable or vegetable, it should be more loamy. So the whole entire planter is out. This is all sick already. Need to amend. And over here is a bit near perfect, but it's not the ideal pH also.